MGK shares quick peek of what appears to be him with his and Megan Fox's baby. The two welcomed their baby girl in March. Machine Gun Kelly is giving fans a quick look at his life as a newborn dad. On Thursday, May 22nd, Machine Gun Kelly, the 35-year-old musician, whose real name is Colson Baker, posted an Instagram carousel with a selfie of what appeared to be him and his baby daughter, whom he welcomed with his ex, Megan Fox, in March. Fans have only gotten a glimpse of the newborn and MGK's initial birth announcement on Instagram, which contained a black and white video of him holding his baby's hand. Watching video.